They're two of the foundational technologies of the modern internet. And they're a fundamental skill for anyone touching web development. HTML, a language to go beyond text and provide meaning and intent. CSS, a language to express a document visually. Welcome to your journey into properly understanding these two technologies. Welcome to Understanding HTML and CSS. In this course, we'll remove the confusion, intimidation, and bad habits that many even experienced web developers still have. You'll gain skill and confidence in using these two technologies that allow many to take care of themselves and their families in real-world jobs, even from home. So let's begin. I'm Tony Alicea, and this is Understanding HTML and CSS. Hi, welcome to the course. In this course, you'll learn to become an HTML author. What that really means is a big focus of this course. You'll also learn to lay out web pages visually using cascading style sheets, or CSS. Along the way, we'll gain an understanding of a fundamental concept that both HTML and CSS rely on, called trees, and not the green kind, but the computer science kind. We'll also gain an understanding of browser rendering engines and how they work to create the web pages that you'll be writing. You'll become comfortable and confident in reading the HTML and CSS specifications, the same documents the people who make browsers read, and will enable you to teach yourself in the future. Finally, overall, you'll become skilled in HTML and CSS. For beginners, nothing is assumed about your knowledge. For experienced developers, the course is structured to reset your mental model and help you break bad habits that many developers fall into. This entire course is designed around a core philosophy. Don't imitate, understand. There are a lot of learning materials out there where you just follow along, imitating what someone else does on screen. And you can learn some things that way. But the moment you're faced with a real-world situation in a project or job that's different from what you've imitated, or the moment a problem comes up that you need to solve, you may find yourself struggling. That's because to truly become skilled, you need to truly, deeply understand. And that's my goal for you in this course and all my courses. So thanks for being a student. And let's begin this journey together to understanding HTML and CSS.